Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the owl. This is Peck's house. Hello, little woodpecker. Where are you rushing off to? Ah, a new toy. A house for your animals. Look, it's a gray kitten. Shall we put it in the house? The door won't shut. Try one more time, Peck. Oh, it opened again. What should we do? Maybe Hop Hop knows how to play with the house. Hop! Let's go! There are so many toys in the motorcycle's sidecar. The birds are saying hello. Such good manners.
It won't stay closed. We need a key.
That's a great idea, Hop Hop. Hop Hop's decided to have a look through his toys. What's he got? Careful, Ant. It's raining toys. Oh, and frogs.
Hop! Found it.
We can use the keys to lock and unlock the doors. The red key goes with the red door. There we go.
A yellow door. A yellow key.
Let's open it. Now who's going to live here? Let's find the right toy. That rock? No. That ant's definitely not a toy. The cow!
Moo!
The cow's going to live behind the yellow door.
Now for the purple door.
Peck wants to put a block in the house. The sheep's going to live there. We need the purple key. Only the green door's left. Who's going to live there? The frog!
Rabbit!
Hop Hop's so funny! Let's lock that door now.
Everybody's home!
The cow and the sheep, and the frog and the kitten. Our little owl and woodpecker are cleaning up their toys. Time for Hop Hop to get back home. The ball's been put away. And the blocks have too. Oh, here comes a ladybug. Let's show her who's living inside. The cow. Moo! The frog. Ribbit, ribbit. The kitten.
Meow!
The sheep. Bah! Everybody's home.
Yay!
The birds are loading the house into the motorcycle. They're off to play with it at Hop Hop's. Till next time, little birds. Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop, Hop the owl. There's a new toy in front of our owl's house. It's a dump truck. Hop, Hop, Peck, Peck, do you want to play? Oh, wow! The body can lift up.
It's a dump truck.
Where's he going? He wants to park the truck. Give it a push, Hop Hop.
3, 2, 1.
It made it! It's your turn, Peck Peck.
Peck, Peck, Peck.
Our woodpecker's still little and only knows how to count in pecks.
Woohoo!
Peck Peck's jumped onto the back of the dump truck like it's a bus. The bus is taking Peck Peck home. Oh, it's hard to drive it up the ramp. Peck Peck, where are you going? Ah, you found a tow rope with a magnet. What a brilliant idea! The dump truck just happens to have a place for a magnet. Use the magnet to fasten the rope. Pulling the truck along with a magnet is much easier. Hop Hop's done it! The dump truck's right at the top now.
3, 2, 1.
Now that's fast! Now it's our woodpecker's turn to push the truck down.
Delivery!
Let's pull the rope and bring the dump truck back up.
Hey! Where are you going?
Surprise! Peck Peck's loading the dump truck with parts for another toy.
Tack! Tack! Tack, tack!
3, 2, 1. The dump truck's come to a stop. Time to unload it. There's a bucket. You can fix that to a toy tractor. And there's another bucket. And there's the tractor. Let's fix one bucket to the front and the other bucket to the back. All done.
Whoa!
Little birds, how many toys does that make? You can use the tractor and dump truck to pick up dry branches from the ground. Just like that. Let's keep working. Let's help the ants gather branches for their anthill. That big bucket will have no problem getting the job done.
Load it all up.
The tractor's picking up the branches and loading them into the dump truck. And the dump truck's taking the load to the anthill. That's a full load. Let's go! Ants, look how many branches there are. You can get back to building again. Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop the owl. Hello, Hop. Are you playing peekaboo again?
Hello.
Hop's a polite little owl. He never forgets to say hello. Hello, Peck. What's in your bucket?
Mushrooms.
Peck is very busy. He's found some toy mushrooms. Shall we play? Oh, the mushrooms toppled over. What's in that blue box?
They're toys.
Shall we see what kind? A plate. You can put the mushrooms onto the plate. What's Hop looking for now? It's a meadow for the mushrooms. Little birds, let's stand the mushrooms up. One, 2, 3. Look, there's more space for the mushrooms in the meadow. Peck's decided to look for some mushrooms near his house. I can't see any mushrooms. I suppose that means we can ride down the slide. Let's go! Oh, Peck. There are 3 whole mushrooms here. Hop's come with a basket, like a real mushroom picker. Let's go and hunt some treasure.
1, 2, 3.
We've gathered those mushrooms. Shall we look for some more? Pay attention now. That mushroom was hidden beneath the leaf. That mushroom's got a ladybug on it. Oh, little birds! Another mushroom! With a lilac cap and a leaf painted on top. Let's put it in the basket, too. There's still one last spot in the meadow. Little spider, have you seen a mushroom? There's a mushroom with a spider on it. All the toys are back where they belong. Peck's not playing anymore. He's got a frying pan. We're having a toy dinner tonight. Fried mushrooms. Dig in, little spider.
Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop, the owl. Hello, Hop.
Hello!
What's that?
Bubble mixture.
Wow! The little owl is going to blow some bubbles. It's working! The bubbles are floating upwards. The bubbles are floating very high indeed. Higher than the butterflies. Hello there, Peck. Look at all the bubbles. Do you like bursting them?
Peck, catch this!
Hop is blowing more bubbles, and Peck is going to burst them. The mosquito has seen the bubbles too. Oh no! It burst one bubble! And another! Peck the woodpecker doesn't want to play with the mosquito at all.
Catch another one!
Have you got a plan, Peck? A net! The woodpecker is going to catch the mosquito. It's not easy, but it's fun. The mosquito is very clever. Peck, can you catch it? And missed. Peck, be careful. Oh, the pot of bubble mixture has fallen over. It's empty. Don't worry, Peck. Hop has got a plan.
Off we go!
The woodpecker and the owl are going to Hop's house. And the mosquito is flying after them.
Water! Soap! Bubbles!
It looks like the owl has a plan. He'll make some new bubble mixture.
Water, soap.
Hop is mixing soap with water to make
Bubbles. And a straw. The owl is blowing bubbles. Oh, look how big they are.
Whoa! Whoa!
Now it's Peck's turn.
Yeah.
Take the straw. What a huge bubble! The mosquito's back again. The little woodpecker is trying really hard to catch it. Look at that, little birds.
Bubbles!
Lots of bubbles. Peck discovered he can blow bubbles with the net. Now there are so many of them that even the mosquito can't burst them all. Oh, looks like the mosquito is tired. Shall we play some more? Hop blew one big bubble, and Peck blew lots of little ones.